Meet John and Carly. Both are business owners, and both are trying to reach their target markets, and both are having trouble. John sells to businesses, but whenever he tries to talk to the owners, they're never there and won't even look at his info. Carly sells to residents, but has no way to know who she should contact, and door-to-door is almost impossible. Thankfully, there's a solution. PindropAds.com allows you to reach all of your target market in literally minutes. It's true. Watch. After a quick registration, you simply search your desired location and customize your specific area. Then search for whatever criteria you want, either the type of business or target you want to reach. And just like that, you can see your target market. Now you can create whatever offer or promo you want them to see. And boom! Now all those businesses have been contacted. Or all those residents have a direct mailer on the way. Wasn't that easy? You can even do it from your smartphone. Find your target market as easily as John and Carly. Visit PindropAds.com today or email us at contact@PindropAds.com.